It's here for Yamamuni Akwaba Eba Melodies Podcast YouTube channel. So yes, right. And then your first time we have subscribe and click the notification bell on the so am I. Now we understand latest news we about one sabeka. Metro send you over here will screen to see na with the so sa pepe am I. Now same yaba. Papa J. A boom boom boom. Papa J was also out to bomb and let out screen to send you subscribing. Now so who we are the entire friend Papa J, Papa Boom, they say owo no wa to bomb. Owo no wa to bomb. Now I will say yes. Papa J na wa to bomb no. Na wa to bomb ama ono ne NDC for etie for we dey utie na we ye NDC ni a we ni enje ensema Papa J aka no we ni enje kra na eno ne sen na Papa J to bomb say NDC for sebe eyamo say mubetumi etu Akufo-Addo efiade so won ose hwe NDC for sa na eyamo say 2020 mubetumi etu Akufo-Addo efiade so yama agrobi na mudi ose no ensida na Akufo-Addo onko one term NPP 4 onbe pene ama Akufo-Addo akọ one term ose da bi ensi Akufo-Addo onko one term da na 2 terms no beko ne ga say 2 terms no beko da na say 2020 elections no NDC for elusu no eno ne nsema Papa J wode atuja etie for no we beka sensem we Papa J ekokan ne he eye bulare ye ne nim say EIB network ye kan EIB network wo share media houses bebre wo Ghana ha say no dodo na EIB network ase wo share Star FM one crying has say a share EIB network ase ya GH1 TV ya and also share EIB network ase wo call baby Empire FM ne nyamo ko nkro bebre so radio stations bebre wo ho a nini a share EIB network ase na EIB network nipa woda no eye bulare yeni ayeni bulare wono e no da no na bulare launch ni program bi and now we call Rollins or a former president Rollins or and I say officially I invited to say may program we day na minya ya wo be bass here na say we be greasy program na see amame na enu mu na nsembisa ba na yebisa Jerry John Rollins say wo hwe se ne ansem kwa ana wo hwe se ne Ghana kwa wo hwe Akufo-Addo wo ya ade ana wo hwe ono ane NDC no 2020 on beba abemu ana na Rollins ka se hwe o se ono de obeka ne kre wo hwe a Akufo-Addo bomodin na trese nyama wo ye no eso neni but more room for improvement na trese still bebre wo ho a ese Akufo-Addo otumi ye but ye beka se Akufo-Addo ya ade na pa se NDC be we ni 2020 there lie I say lie na ade besi na me say NDC for bebre omo bedwa se banche no se omo papa Jerry John Rollins edin sembi say atuja me say NDC for mo bedwa te say dodo na bu befu na me read the article no Peace FM 4 and a report say sansem way na wo sha at peacefmonline.com omo say founder of the opposition National Democratic Congress NDC former President Jerry John Rollins doubts the possibility of his own party unseating the incumbent New Patriotic Party in the 2020 general elections. It's here for senior meeting can way there a very heartbreaking pan say my founder can BBC Rollins so they watch say won't show be can they open. Now was say he has predicted more than a term in office for the NPP under President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo after admitting that Nana Addo is doing well in office. After say wajiatum say Nana Addo onko one tempe. Now we share last paragraph for the can say after admitting that Nana Addo is doing well in office. Not just say womo claiming and now womo su say Ghana yedin NDC for share communicators now. Be normal radio stations and TV stations so womo Ghana for tia say Ghana yedin na wohwe Akufo-Addo na memo ebi nsi da ahocheba baga na ebi nsi da ntokwa si waga na ebi nsi da just bibia ye de sobo no ebo Akufo-Addo na mepo de enya menwa because mahama wo ho no saa na MPP fo no so ye nti akoye se MPP ne NDC omo de ye omo ho obia wo so dia de obi beye bia no enye de obi beye bia anye etiefo na eno ne nsema bomo esanso ede aba na Ose Nana-Addo is doing well in office. Ose clearly impressed with the achievements of current administration. The former president, however, believes there is more room for improvement. Not to say, Washa, send ya na Rollins or Casano, ni de ekoso. Sisia ewa Ghana. To say nyama ekoso wa Ghana sisia ni ni edge home. Na wase but or the but bishop but there is more room for improvement. Akoya say yeswana yeko school no ma report near ma teacher ma remarks because so he's very good in class, he listens to teacher, he does this ubonso the but more room for improvement. No and I will say so now also see Rollins made this shocking revelation when the CEO of EIB Network, Nathan Kwabena Anochi Edisi, affectionately known as Bolare, called on him to officially invite him to the launch of his his biography. Not just a Bolare program be a biography and some way so say when asked if he thinks Nana-Addo and his MPP-led government will only rule for a term in office and likely for the NDC to regain power in 2020, the ex-president replied, "These people think they can unseat this man, Akufo-Addo, in 2020 MPP after only 4 years? No!" Therefore, Memphis line say, when asked if he thinks Nana-Addo and his MPP-led government will only rule for a term in office and likely for the NDC to regain power in 2020, the ex-president replied, "These people think they can unseat this man, Akufo-Addo, in 2020 MPP after only 4 years? No." Not just say, NDC for I am say, move to me to Akufo-Addo if you are there so after only 4 years. Move to MPP for if you are there after only 4 years and on this also said Dabida and ya DBC. That's how I translate ya or the background say I pray to and ya DBC. Now what else I say Papa J, as he is affectionately called in political circles, however, added that if they do well enough, and so far it doesn't look too bad. Not just say what's your MPP no so far no and shada anya bad sir. So far and shada anya bad sir. Therefore Sana Papa J Etre. Now I say the former president who ruled Ghana for close to 2 decades also raised concern about the environment and feels more could be done to address issues about that sector. Now what should I say Rollins Ekanya and at the last paragraph I'm reading it, you must say the former president who ruled Ghana for close to 2 decades also raised concerns about the environment and feels more could be done to address issues about that sector. Not just say and same when you call so no Rollins say no dear baby a buy way and some focus was super the environment. The environment. Just what share your surrounding or share your home as a CCI environment no and share that yet a fee at the croyen. A fee at the croyen and just say easy. And only some Rollins a day at Tuja. Now, maybe some read the comments there a buy and bear post with a call live. The person read the comment or say Papa J sees nothing wrong with this corrupt MPP government. He has lost his voice. His wife remote controls him now. So sad. They have lost respect and admiration because of greed. What goes around comes around. Karma always has a way of showing itself. Now the nipa we are trying to say, yeah, say Rollins and Bra NDC was no. opa bontia na wa be kasa say o NDC was corruption na MPP for a woman your party mo wa ba so corruption cases be brave akoso no onhwe so wen ka hwe na de bia ba bontia pese ubehu nyama bone no papa ne nkwa na woka ba NDC woso no na wunhu papa bone nkwa na woka na aden na nipa ku we osusu se papa je eye ne yere ena o control no eno ne nsema nipa no e tre wadwen o comment box me tie for me da say